With Fergus Go, adding invoices and credits from your suppliers is quick and easy thanks to our Supplier Documents feature. This saves you from doing it after hours and keeps all your information neatly in one place. Let me show you how it works. First, open the job card. Scroll down to the Tools section and tap Supplier Documents. If you need to switch between job phases while adding supplier documents, just use the chips at the top of the screen. Next, tap the Add button in the bottom right corner. Here, you'll choose whether it's an invoice to come or a credit to come. Essentially, are we making a purchase or is the supplier giving us a credit? Now, select your supplier. You can search for them at the top of the page. If they're not on your list yet, no worries. You can add a new supplier right here. After that, the rest is optional, but adding extra details can be really helpful. For example, you can add the invoice number, select the document date, note whether it was bought on account or not, and even upload photos like receipts or images of your items. When you're done, just tap Save in the top right corner and that's it. See? Easy. With Supplier Documents, keeping track of your costs has never been simpler.